Hello guys, today we will cover a topic on SQL Server delete command. SQL Server delete command basically is used to delete record from a table based on some specific condition. It is always used with a where clause. Where clause is used to specify a condition while fetching the data from a table. So you can see the description of delete command and where clause I have mentioned here, and the condition that we specify in where clause, it may be a logical comparison and it may be any wildcard operator like greater than equal to, less than equal to. Let's check the syntax of delete command. Here is the syntax: delete from table name where clause and then condition. So let's look at an example. First we need to select a table that we will use for to demonstrate the delete command. Suppose we have a table ABC. Here we have a 5 record in our table ABC. You can see name and quantity. So we will delete any record from table based on ID. So let's check a simple example: delete from table ABC where ID. Suppose I'm going to delete a record for ID 5. So what I have written here: delete from table ABC where ID is equal to 5. I want to delete that record. So once I will execute this query, it will delete record for ID is equal to 5. So one row get affected, you can see, and when I check the table, there is no record for ID 5. So it means the record is deleted successfully. Now we add multiple condition in our delete command. Suppose we have a table and we want to delete record where name start with A and quantity is greater than 5000. What condition we want? Name start with letter A and quantity should be greater than 500. Yes, there is a multiple condition. First one is checking for name that must be start with A, and second one is greater than quantity greater than 500. So we will create a delete command for this. Delete from table name ABC where name means name must be started with letter A. So here we will use a like clause, like then A. Now it will check for and greater. No, it should be a first one A, then that means the letter will be start with letter A. After that it will be anything but start with A, and quantity should be greater than 500. If we are not sure about the condition and we executed this, so it may be chances that we are going to delete a wrong records. So first we should verify the condition, whether we have written a right condition or not. So we can simply select the records, select the star from table, and we can simply check. Here it is returning record. Let me quickly select all the record just right before the this query, and now we can simply compare. See, this is our actual table and this is the second after specifying the condition. So what was our condition? Our condition was name should be start with letter A and the quantity should be greater than 500. So here name should be start with A. So here we have two records. first and fourth. Name is starting with A, but the quantity should be greater than 500 is only for fourth record. Like first one having the quantity is 125. So the query will return only last record. So we have cross verify our where condition. Now we are okay to execute the delete query, delete from table ABC, and then we can simply run the query and it delete only one record for the match condition. So now we can check there is no record for fourth ID. That satisfies our condition. So in simple way we can use the delete command to delete records from tables based on a specific condition. So let's check if we don't specify the where clause, what happens. So it will delete the all record from table. So let's quickly check, but we will check with a rollback condition like begin turn. Then we'll use this query. Because delete command can be rolled back. So if we are not sure if we are performing a delete command on large record, large data set, then it's better to use begin transaction block, and to ensure like to execute query under begin transaction block. And if everything goes fine, then we should commit the transaction, otherwise we can roll back. So we in delete command we can also use a rollback. So what we will check the delete command without using a where clause. So here I'm going to use begin turn, and what I will do, I will delete the record from table, a 3 row affected. So here I didn't pass any where clause, so it deletes complete record from tables. Let's check. Here there is no recording table, so it means it is always good practice to use where clause with delete commands. If we forget to delete where clause in our delete command, it will delete the entire record from table. Because I executed the delete command under the begin transaction clause, so I'm going to roll back the transaction, and it is get successfully. So now I check now my records is back. So with this example, what we have seen here, first we have seen here that how to use delete command to delete record from a table based on some conditions, and how we can roll back the transaction after deleting record from table. So hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.